OH Tax eServices is a digital platform which allows you to manage your tax-related activities conveniently online. In this video, you will learn how to file an original return and amend a return for business taxes. Once logged in, you will be taken to your OH Tax eServices dashboard. From your OH Tax eServices dashboard, select the File Now link to file a return for the current filing period. You will now be on a page that will display the tax return for the selected filing period. First, you will need to verify the license and the name of your business. Once verified, select the Next button. Now you will have the option to upload a file containing your complete return UST1 return data. If you have a file available, select Yes, then File Upload. If you do not have a UST1 data file, select No, and then select Next. On this page, identify each county for which you are remitting sales tax. You can add additional counties by adding a row and selecting the appropriate county from the list provided. You can now add or edit the tax rate, taxable sales, and tax liability for each county. Be sure to enter the taxable sales amount, which will carry over to the next screen. If the amounts match your records, select the Next button. On the taxable sales page, complete the taxable sales information. This page displays total gross sales, any applicable exempt sales, and the system automatically carries forward the reportable taxable sales from the previous page. You will need to ensure the gross sales and exempt sales add up to the reportable taxable sales. Here you will be asked if you paid tax directly to the Clerk of Courts. This question applies only to automobile dealers. In most cases, select No. Once all information is complete and accurate, select the Next button. If the return is filed after the due date, you will be taken to a page displaying the estimated interest and penalty amounts. Once you have verified the totals are accurate, select the Next button. On this review page, you will review the return information and select Next. You will now be directed to the Payment Options screen. From this page, you can choose to pay by electronic check, credit or debit card, or pay later. Once you have chosen your payment method, select the Next button. On the payment screen, the amount due is automatically displayed. If you are able to pay this amount, re-enter it in the Confirm Amount field. Confirm your payment method and select Next. You must now confirm your submission. Review the declaration, then select the File My Return button once you are satisfied with your submitted information. You will now be on the confirmation page, where you can find the confirmation number. Make note of this number for your records. Please note that submitting your payment does not mean it is automatically approved. It may take 2 business days to validate that the funds are available. To print the return, select the printable view. This will pull up a PDF of the return, which you can print for your records. A copy is also stored in your OH Tax eServices dashboard and can be viewed in the future. You will now return to the dashboard by selecting the OK button. If you need to make edits, select the View Submission link on the dashboard. From this page, you can withdraw the submission, delete the submission, or print the return. Once the return has processed overnight, the withdraw option will no longer be available. Instead, you will have the option to amend the return. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to submit and amend a business return. If you have questions, please contact us at tax.ohio.gov/email or call 1-888-405-4039.